Alright, so we're going to show you how to go from here. See how it says 9 mil? 9 mil? I'm sorry, from here, that you can hardly see it. See that? Hard to see. To this. Or this. See how you can see that? It's nice. It's very pretty. And then you can even add some to... You see what I'm saying? It looks nice. Very nice. So here we go. So what you're going to do is, you're going to grab the clip. You're going to select the color that you want. Once you select the color that you want, then you're going to grab a crayon that gives you the color that you want. Then, since this is an engraving, it's very simple. You put some pressure and you fill in the engraving with the crayon. It looks super messy. It's okay. Okay? Then you're going to go to the numbers and push down as you're coloring in, because you want this again to fill the engraving. Can't say it simpler. Can't say it enough. Fill the engraving with whatever crayon color you want to make for your mag. I would recommend glow-in-the-dark crayons if they exist. If they don't, there you go, create some. And if you can get some glow-in-the-dark, it's even better, so that in case you're ever in a situation where you need to see this in low light, then, you know, you can see. There's no trickery to this. Let me see if I can bring it down so that you guys can see. There's no trickery. Just got to hit it from all different angles. Make sure that all the engraving is full. The cleanup is easy. You're going to use WD-40. WD-40 is phenomenal when it comes to cleaning up Crayola or crayons. So if your kid goes crazy on you with a crayon, it's okay. Just grab a can of WD-40 and it will magically clean it up. Okay, so I got all that out. Now you want to grab a card, some kind of a card, and just wipe it down to remove all the excess, which will reveal where you need to add some help. So right there in the 9 needs some help. Grab the card. Remove all the excess. Okay, then grab a piece of tissue, add some WD-40 to it, and clean. If you put a lot of pressure and you fill those holes, you should be able to pretty much clean this, and it looks super dope. And then if you don't feel as dope, you can always go back, like on that M right there. Let me clean the crayon. On that M could use a little oomph. So I push down, grab the rag. See what I'm saying? Dope. Then I grab a clean one. Remove all the crazy shiny WD-40ness. Booyah. Huh? Come on. Come on. Come on with it. Look at that. Come on. That looks dope. Huh? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Peace.